Hey future academic rockstars, are you ready to ace CUET 2024 examinations for agriculture? Yes, you're at the correct place then. So I introduce you to Sourav Sir's crash course, which is for CUET entrance examinations 2024 agriculture. So the agriculture syllabus, firstly I will introduce you that there are 4 parts. Okay. The course is as such divided into these specific broad categories or areas. Number 1 being agrometeorology, then there is livestock production, crop production, plant breeding and genetics, microbiology and then also there is horticulture. So yes, these are the basic topics, like broadly classified categories in which your whole CUET entrance examination of agriculture will be based upon. So let me come back to the reasons why you should join Sourav Sir's classes. Is because here at Sourav Sir's classes there is this expertise wherein it is very controversial, but at the first end you are getting live interactive sessions, but on the other hand you will also get personalized attention. So this is a very unique blend of mixture and a very amazing way of studying and understanding your pace of study, as well as making sure that you excel in your path. Next point I would like to stress upon is that you will be life happens and then there are sudden change of plans. So for that we also have the 100% refund available for you. So let's say if you are not satisfied with whatever marks you have scored and whatever classes you are getting from us, then you have this option of availing the 100% refund from us. Next point is that, let's say while you're preparing for any of these 4 topics, and then you have a weak point in, let's say genetics and plant breeding. So at the crash course you not only get the live sessions, but there is 24/7 help facility available for the students, wherein if each student is eligible enough to claim the 24/7 facility, wherein the students can ask their queries or questions just a WhatsApp text away, and our professors who are experienced enough in the particular field will get back to you at no time. So don't waste your time and definitely try your luck to get your admission and to book your seat at your dream university with the help of Sourav Sir's Classes crash course. Thank you.